again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I wasn't going to upload anything today, so this is just going to be a quick one. So I've had my Gelbox arrive. It was by accident sent to my old address, so that's why it took a while to get to me. So I'm just going to get it open, see what's in it. So this is November's box. Look at the box again. It's always very pretty. So quick bit about Gelbox. Gelbox is a monthly subscription box containing 4 gels and a little tutorial. Everything you get in the box is everything you need to complete this little tutorial. So let's see what we got. So this is the November box. I do like this. So yeah, every month is a different theme, different box, and all the contents in the box are what you need to complete the tutorial. So let's see what we got. So here's your little practice sheet. You can write down what you need. These are nice to keep for reference in future. Right, and this is the vinyl sticker that you get every month. So this gives you an idea of what colours we've got. That's quite cute. Nice autumn vibes. Kind of simple set, isn't it? I like it. Right, so I'm just going to move this off to the side and we'll get stuck in to see what we got. Should I give you a quick sneak peek first? I forgot to give you a sneak peek, didn't I? What's this in here? Oh, there's another sticker. Oil your cuticles. Definitely. Right, is that it? There's no hidden, nothing else hidden. Right, there's your sneak peek. Now I'm just going to move it off to the side. Right, let's go. So, what's this? So, we have got what looks like... Oh, it's a hair clip. Oh, look at this. Hair clip. Big red bow. I think I'm going to put that on my Christmas tree. That'll be going on my Christmas tree, I think. So, we have got a cuticle oil. I love these oils. I've got one open on my desk here. It's nearly finished, I think, this one. I love it. It's like perfume. I don't know what smell it is, but there we go. Nice. We've got some gold leaf. Oh! Right. I thought, what are these? These are the Swatch pops off the top of the bottles. If you remember last month, let me show you. Oh, I haven't got them to hand, guys, but last month's bottles came without the Swatch pops on top. Don't know if it was a mistake. So they've gave them in this box. Oh, that's brilliant, because my OCD hated all my Gelbox gels laying out and just 4 bottles without the Swatch pops on top. So brilliant, I can do my own. Fantastic. That's really thoughtful to stick them in the next box. Right, let's get on with it. We have got a little... Oh, my thingy bob's come off. If you run that under... If you ever get your brushes and they're splayed a bit like this, run it under hot water and keep pulling it and massaging it between your fingers under some... Not hot, but warm water. And it'll just bring it all nice and straight again. Can you see how they're a bit split? Yeah, just run it under some warm water and keep pulling it like this. So this doubles up as a little dotting tool as well. I do like little dotting tools. They come in really handy. Right, so we've got that. I think that is it now. I think everything else in here is gels. There's my little protective lid. So let me get cleared off, get some swatch sticks out, and we'll get these swatched. Right, guys, so Gelbox gels are all Hema-Free, and they are a massive 20ml. They're huge, and they are really nice quality gels. I love using them. I don't use them as often as I'd like to. I just struggle to find the time, but they are fantastic quality gels. If you've never tried them, yeah, I definitely recommend them. Right, so what have we got? Jolly Boudoir. Jolly Boudoir. How do you say it? Boudoir. So this looks like, ooh, a deep kind of muted, dusty kind of purple. They're a bit thick today because my room's really cold. Kiss from a Rose. This is really nice colour as well. It's like a really deep nudie pinky purple. I like that. Then we have got Winter Garden. This is like a nice deep blue. Nice. And lastly we have got Regal Rose. This looks like a luscious red. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, it's got a slight little cherry tone to it. Only slight. Right, let's get these swatched, shall we? Right, so we'll start with Jolly Boudoir, which is like a deep kind of, like plum, like a deep plum, but it's got like a slight muted. I'm getting really good at describing colours, aren't I? Muted, dusty kind of plum. It's actually really nice. It's got like a deep gothic kind of feel to it, I think. Nice for this time of year. My camera's showing it a lot darker than what it is. It's a bit lighter than that. Beautiful colour. I will give all these a second coat. Right, Kiss from a Rose. I like this kind of colour when I want a really deep, dark nail bed colour. These kind of colours work really well. I love these gels. They just apply beautifully. Yeah, that's a really nice colour. I like that. Beautiful. Then we've got Winter Garden. Wow, this is super pigmented. This blue. Wow. These blues can be quite hit and miss. You're either getting a jelly sheer one or you're getting a super pigmented one. And this is the latter. Wow, look at that again. It's showing a little bit darker than what it is. And lastly, we've got Regal Rose. Reds can be hit and miss as well, but I can tell already this is a good one. Yeah, it's got a slight little kind of cherry tone to it. I like that with a red. Wow, look at that for a red. Fantastic coverage. Brilliant, brilliant coverage for a red. Wow. That is a red, isn't it? I love it. Right, I'm going to give these a top coat. I don't think I'm going to bother with a second coat, guys. Really doesn't need it. Not on swatch sticks. So I'm just going to give them a quick top coat. And then we'll have a look at them all together. Right, guys, there we go. That is them swatched. Love this pink. I like this red as well. And then the purple and the blue. That's giving me like gothic. Like, yeah. Dark flowers, dark gothic kind of vibes. That red is a fantastic red. That's just one coat and it's just completely opaque. Fantastic. Reds and deep dark blues like this can be so hit and miss. These are fantastic. I always say it about Gelbox gels. They are really good quality gels. So let's have a quick look. So this is the red off the pinky, and then it looks like we've got this blue on the pointer and then this pink on the middle with the red flowers. Very nice. I do struggle to find the time to do these tutorials, but I do always say it. If you guys do the tutorials, tag me. Let me see them. I love seeing what you all come up with. Whether you do the tutorial or whether you go completely off-piste and do your own design. Tag me in your Gelbox designs. And who knows, I might start doing a couple of little features in my video and showing some of your designs off. So definitely tag me on any of the designs, past or present, whatever they may be. Tag me, and yeah, you might see your little designs up on my screen very soon. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. So a quick recap. We got the little things for the bottles from last month that was missing. We got the gold leaf, the cuticle oil, and the brush and dotting tool. Oh, not forgetting hair bow / Christmas tree bow. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Don't forget, I've got a 15% discount code for Gelbox, so definitely take advantage of that. I will leave the link in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.